Happy Bible TV. Noah built the ark one day, following God all the way. Animals came two by two, just like God had told them to. Then the rain came from the sky, but God was always standing by. When the storm was finally gone, God made a promise for everyone. Rainbow, rainbow in the sky, a promise from God Most High. God said, I will always care, my love and promise will stay there. Red and orange, yellow bright, green and blue in shining light, indigo and violet too. God made the rainbow for me and you. God told Noah, look and see, the rainbow is my promise to thee. Never again will floods destroy all the earth and every boy. So when we see the rainbow shine, we can remember God is kind. Every color that we see reminds us of His faithfulness.